Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of a famous story, His First Flight. Margin questions. First, what did the young seagull feel? Answer. The young seagull felt that his wings would never support him. Second, what were the young seagull's parents doing? Answer. His father was spreading the feathers on his white back and his mother was looking at him. She was tearing a piece of fish that lay at her feet and then scraping each side of the beak on the rock. Third, what were the young seagull's brother and sister doing? Answer. His two brothers and his sister flying around him, curveting and banking and soaring and diving. Fourth question, what did he forget? Answer, he forgot that he had not always been able to fly. Fifth question, what did his mother do to force him to fly? Answer, his mother picked up a piece of fish and flew across to him with it. But she was just opposite to him. She halted with her wings motionless, and then, maddened by hunger, he dived at the fish. That wise trick mother used to force to fly. Sixth question, why was the young seagull alone on his ledge? Answer. The young seagull was alone on his ledge because his two brothers and sister had already flown away the day before. Seventh question, why did she keep calling out to his mother? Answer, she kept calling out to his mother because he wanted to bring him some food. Eighth question, from when had the young seagull not eaten? Answer, the young seagull had not eaten since the previous nightfall. Ninth question, where had the whole family walked about? Answer, the whole family walked about on a big plateau midway down the opposite cliff. 10th question, what was the family taunting him for? Answer, the family was taunting him for his cowardice.